So I'm doing my go-to wrapping technique here, which means that from this type of wrap, I can go into a full body wrap if I need, or I can reveal the hands and the feet to be able to get something really quite beautiful. So this is the type of wrap that I do in every session. So we've done it here on our first baby, and then we've used another wrap around the outside to create a bow. So we're going to do the exact same next to her to get a shot of them together. So you can see I've gone around the upper body, keeping the hands in position here. She's very content. She's having a little look around, so we'll see if she drifts off to sleep. And now I'm going to come down around the legs. So ultimately, I want to kind of reverse the way that I've positioned the legs here. I've got the outside leg coming down in underneath. So if she's going to be on the other side, then I'll need the same leg coming down and around. So anchoring this up around the shoulder to come down. You can watch this wrapping tutorial. It's the comfort wrap. And I pretty much do it every single session. It's the best wrap to settle babies, make them feel nice and secure and calm. So as you can see, I've got one hand resting here gently on the legs as I give this a little bit of a pull. Now if I hold the legs there, you can see that that fabric's still got lots of give in it, so it's not too tight. Now I don't mind if the fabric comes up there because I can just pull it back into position when I'm ready. So when I'm working with twins, I always get one baby settled first while the other's having a feed or being changed. Get some photos of them alone before we bring in the next baby, and it's usually a good opportunity for them to drift off into that deeper sleep. So then I'll bring the second baby in, get them together, take the first baby away so I can get the second baby on their own. And it doesn't matter which order you do them in, I just usually work with babies in terms of which one's asleep, which one's not. We tend to leave till last. All right, so with this setup here, already we have some height in underneath the head and the shoulders to be able to lift the head up, close the gap between the hands and the head, and then we've got our well here. So we want to try and replicate that on the opposite side. So bringing their heads together here, so we can see both of their faces when shot from above is the goal. Obviously they're just slightly off there, so a quick little adjustment of their head supports. So I'm going to have to shoot this really wide and make sure that I get both lots over the center. I want them directly in the middle of my frame. Beautiful.